What's up, you guys? It's your girl Avery, and I'm back again with another video. I'm just kind of getting off a cold, but I decided to film because it's been a really long time since I filmed, and I really want to get this video out here because every time I film on my camera, somehow the file gets corrupted through my SD card. Let me just close this because I know I'm gonna hit this. So I'm on my phone, but besides the point, I'm here to bring you a Korean skincare without using Korean products, in a sense, because let's be honest, I can't get over to Korea right now, and I've seen so many people do Korean skincare and get the glass skin is what they call it, and it's winter, even though it does not feel like it, like it's about to be 70 in a couple of days. I would like some plump like skin that's just like super glowy, but you need to get some work done to get it like that. For hopefully, today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe 3 days, like, you know, I'm gonna do a weekend in a sense because I know during the week I'm not gonna be able to do it, so like, you know, we're gonna start right now. Let's get started. I'm back from eating dinner. It's almost 9 o'clock and I feel like going to sleep, so this is the perfect time for me to do it, because if not, I'm not gonna do it. So the regimen I'm gonna follow is the one I found on Pinterest. I just want to interrupt and say I'm so sorry about my hair. It's bad. I'm gonna make someone really happy one day, and it scares me. I'm so sorry about that. I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's almost like it's a 12-step one, I believe. No, a 12 or 10 one, but 8 does not equal 10 or 12. The night one is just like, with all the stuff I have with me, it's about 8 products, and then a sunscreen, which I'm only gonna put sunscreen on in daytime. So first, it says start off with an oil cleanser. This is the only one I have. And I know it's St. Ives, and you're not supposed to use St. Ives because apparently it's bad for your skin. But at this point, I need a video out. How the hell am I supposed to use this? This is... Oh, that's how you... Okay. Wet face. So, I'm gonna wet my face real quick. I got a wet face. Wet face, twist up stick, rub over skin. Okay, rub over face, so. Apparently this is supposed to clean off all the dirt from today, so. Just to rub it in. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like citrus. What is this supposed to be? Cactus water and hibiscus. Hold on. Oh, I can smell that. It also has coconut oil in it. Water milk, which I know is supposed to be bad for your skin, but honestly, it feels really good. How am I supposed to get this off? Rinse, okay. I have a rinsed face, so it says to use your hands. I washed my hands before on any of this. So I'm supposed to use a foaming cleanser, a second one. I don't like how it's back to back, but I want glowy skin, so we're gonna do this. And by the way, I'm using the Morning Burst one, which is the only one I own that was foaming. How the heck am I supposed to open this? I know it seems really dumb, like I can't open anything. Oh, hi, plate. But I cannot open that to save my life. Like, that thing was hard. Like, I thought I had another one, but I can't find it, so I should have put this on my fingertips. Either way. Hook it up there. Rub this into my skin. Get a towel. Probably put this on my eyes. Not doing too shabby. I got water all over my body. But that part's done. Next is the toner. And I'm using just like a Blackhead toner because I think the other one I have is gonna be a little bit too harsh. But I'm gonna take a little cotton pad, do a little toning. Just gonna do a little bit. I also recently heard you're not supposed to use witch hazel on your face, but a whole bottle, which kind of sucks, but get that in here. Oh, my skin's not that dirty. It's dirty, but it's not like super dirty. Like I've used this and like a lot of stuff has come off. Then next I'm supposed to use a serum. I have my Advanced Night Repair. Honestly, I'm just gonna rub. It makes my face feel wet. Next, I'm supposed to do a cream. So I'm gonna take this Nightwear Plus from Estée Lauder. This one smells like cucumbers. Well, I can't really smell, but cucumber. There. I believe that's all rubbed in. It looks rubbed in. Gonna put that cap on so I can remember. Okay, then next I'm gonna use an eye cream. Got this from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree. Oh, get up there. Suck you in. There we go. I've learned that you're supposed to like, instead of going out and like pushing the blood flow, you're supposed to like go in, like follow your blood flow. So it like it reduces bags apparently. In between the cream and the eye cream, there's supposed to be a sheet mask. I don't like sheet masks. I never buy them because I feel like they are a waste because you usually only get one use out of them. Ooh, you can see those bags. And I get 8 hours of sleep. Woo. And then you're supposed to spot whatever with like salicylic acid. This is the only thing I have. I recently bought it, so I'm gonna go here because I don't really have a lot of pimples. This is like my one main pimple right here. And lastly, you're supposed to go in with a lotion. I think lotion and creams, one's thicker, so I'm going in my trusty dusty Ponds. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit. I can't remember if something's wrong with Ponds or not. I might go in with cold cream tomorrow, but then again, are you supposed to use cold cream on your face? Like, rub it in, I don't know. But that's the first day. Call that a completion. It's day 2. What can I say about this so far is that my face feels like moisturized. Like the only bad thing about this is probably because it's probably like I go to bed and my face feels sticky, like almost like it feels like there's a lot of product on my face, and I don't know if it's because of like Pond's being thick or just like, you know, I'm using a whole bunch of products on my face. But other than that, my face feels moisturized. I put on the sunscreen this morning, even though I didn't go out. I only went to the mailbox. But yeah, we're gonna get into this again. So it is day 3 of the Korean skincare, and I'm almost finished with the routine because I figured you guys got 2 days of me filming the same thing over. I'm just gonna talk about it today, but basically from what I've learned with it, I really like eye cream. Didn't know I did, but I really do. You don't need like a specific eye cream. Like, you know, I have the one from the Dollar Tree, and it works really good. And like, you know, under my eyes, I don't really have like, you know, harsh bags and stuff. And putting salicylic acid on your skin, it's actually not that bad. I've had a lot of pimples to shrink, which is super duper good. I had this one which was super inflamed and stuff. It's still inflamed because I was poking at it earlier today. But like pimples on my cheeks, they're gone. And like, you know, it's literally just been 3 days. But overall, I can say it works well, especially with this sunscreen. I'm probably gonna have that on for the rest of my life now. It kept my skin super moisturized. Like, you know, even like when I woke up, washed my face, put on sunscreen, like, you know, my skin wasn't super dry. It was like, you know, really like, and I usually have dry skin. Like, I could tell it's getting dry under my lip, so I'm gonna rub that in. And I learned using Pond's is still great, but you don't need a lot because, like, you know, I talked about earlier me going to bed about being sticky, and it was just because I used too much, like, you know, the heavy lotion portion. But other than that, I think I'm probably not gonna do this every day, but I'm gonna try at least do like this at least once a week, and then just like compress it and do like, you know, the serum or I think I'm gonna do the serum as well because that put a lot of moisture, but definitely toner, wash. I'm probably not gonna do 2 cleansings because I think 2 is just too much. Probably gonna just choose to stick because that usually works really well. And then, like, you know, do 1 lotion, just like, you know, condense it. But overall, I thought it was pretty great, and I hope you guys try a Korean skincare because I think everybody needs that in your life. It's really good. 10 steps, good self-care. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I think you already need to do that. You should already be subscribed. And definitely, like, you know, comment down your skincare routines, like what skincare products you guys like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.